So we're gonna swim superhero freestyle, front quadrant freestyle. Your hands don't have to touch, they just come side by side. Being patient allows you to take fewer strokes and it keeps your body balanced. Because if you start to swim, even with less of a pause, you're gonna find yourself starting to sink your legs, okay? So, keeping your hands always out in front will help keep you balanced. I'll show you my body with my arms by my side. You'll see my legs sink. Now I'll show you my body with my arms out in front. You'll watch me float. Okay. That's why swimming with your arms out in front, or front quadrant swimming, is so important. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, and follow us over on our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for shorter videos and clips throughout the week. Check out our merch store, and we'll see you in the next video.